These babies are as cozy as caterpillars and cocoons.
Let's let them sleep.
You know, Babyland is kind of scary at night.
Chili, we're all here together, and the night lights are on. It's gonna be fine.
Don't worry, Sugar.
Oh. Ah! You guys, did anybody else see that?
What happened, Chili?
I think there's a ghost.
Chili, don't be silly. There are no ghosts in Babyland.
How did nobody else hear that? I heard it and I don't even have ears.
Oh, it's nothing, Sugar.
Yeah, probably just the wind.
Ah!
Okay, I did hear that, but I'm sure it wasn't a ghost.
It was. I saw it with my own stitched-on eyes. It was right here. It shook the rattle just like this, and then ducked behind it, just like that. And then, wait a second. That's the ghost! Ah!
Wait for me!
Looks like this baby wasn't quite ready for bed. She must have crawled off with her blanket still on her. Good thing you found her, Chili. Babies should never have anything like this covering them.
So there aren't any ghosts in Babyland after all. Oh, that's a relief. I'll take her back to her crib now.
You're not scared to go by yourself?
Scared of Babyland? Me? No way. It's the least scary place we've ever been. Well, except for the diapers.